DOJ prosecutor Leo Wise says Hunter could still be charged with violating the Foreign Agents Registration Act. I think that's a very big deal. Former U.S. Attorney Guy Lewis joins me now. Guy, how big a threat is that if Hunter is investigated as a foreign agent?
Good morning, Stuart. The threat is huge.
Yep.
And in fact, this is why the entire proceeding blew up yesterday in federal court as the judge, as she's starting to look at this paperwork that both sides filed, which basically gave Hunter, expressly in the paperwork, immunity. And so she starts asking questions like anybody would. How extensive is this immunity? Is he still under investigation or not? And when she learned that he was both still under investigation for this, what you mentioned, being an agent of a federal government, China and Ukraine, then the proceedings just blew up. And that's when she said, listen, you guys better go get your act together and come back and see me. Both sides will file paperwork next.
Now, we could be looking at an extraordinary situation, because if Hunter Biden is considered a foreign agent, we also have to remember that he lives in the White House. He may not live there full time, but he's there an awful lot. So we would have a foreign agent living in the White House with his dad, the President of the United States of America. I don't think the public will stand for that.
I got to tell you, Stuart, the White House press secretary, she can get up all day and say as many times as she wants that it doesn't have anything to do with the president. The evidence doesn't support that. The evidence indicates that he's over there, he's talking, the text, the emails that they've uncovered, the money trail. Has anybody ever explained what the money was for? And when the money that supposedly went to the big guy, what was that for?
Yeah.
And nobody. And so an investigation, a tough, hard, Watergate-type investigation needs to be conducted here, and we need to get answers. And I'm telling you, the White House is not going to like those answers.
However, it could all be resolved. The judge has said to the prosecutors and the defense attorneys, hey, you got 30 days, work out a deal. When they come back with a deal, it's possible the judge will say, okay, and it's all over. That is possible, isn't it?
It is. That's a great point, Stuart. But I tell you, if they do reach a deal, it's not going to be better. It's going to be substantially worse for Hunter Biden. Listen, I've done this for a long, long time. I've never seen a deal like this. It stinks to high heaven, and it's extraordinary. And it's extraordinary for one reason, and I think that's because some of the evidence implicates the sitting president of the United States.
Can you give us any clue as to how you think this might play out? 6 months down the road, where are we going to be?
So I think they're going to come back in and they're going to try to resolve this thing because the stakes are so high. And the question then becomes, Stuart, is whether or not they can satisfy this federal judge that, hey, there's really nothing to look at here. Just keep moving on. I don't think it's going to happen. I think this deal is dead in the water.
The Democrats are saying, look, it's a Trump-appointed judge. It doesn't count. What do you say to that?
Look, I think she's taken an oath to follow the law. And just like Archibald Cox, the former Solicitor General for the Kennedy administration, came in and wreaked havoc in the administration, ultimately wound up leading to the resignation of that sitting president, Nixon. You should see the same thing happen here, I believe.
Whoa, strong stuff. Guy Lewis, you made impact with that statement, and thanks very much for being with us, Guy. We'll see you again soon. Thanks a lot, sir.